Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to do class 5 English half yearly examination paper. So, this is would be the revision of your half yearly examination. If you will practice it, definitely you are going to get very good marks. Let's start with the reading section. Many years ago, the foothills of Catskill Mountains was a little village. In the village lived a simple, good-natured fellow named Rip Van Winkle. He was a kind neighbor, ready to help anyone. Everyone in the village liked him. The children of the village shouted with joy whenever they saw him because he played with them. He taught them to fly kites and shoot marbles and told them long stories. The only problem with Rip was that he was very lazy. He did not work on his own farm and just idled away his time. Where was the little village situated? At the foothills of Catskill Mountain. Why did the children in the village shout with joy where they saw Rip? He played with them and taught them many stories, fly kites and shoot marbles. Complete the following sentence. The only problem with Rip was that he was very lazy. Circle the meaning of idle away, it's wasted. State whether the following sentence is true or false. Rip was not liked by anyone, it is false. It was like he was liked by everyone. Write any two good qualities of Rip. So lazy is not a good quality, so you can change this one. Helpful, you can write helpful and kind. Write past into the following sentence. Teach, taught, tell, told. Rhyming word for root is boot. Write the plural of story, stories, child, children. Name of the story is Rip Van Winkle. Here is one more passage. Four young men lived in a temple. They had a habit of talking too much. One day one of them said, "We talk too much. We should learn to be quiet." So they decided not to speak to each other for 7 days. On the first day, no one spoke. No one said a word. When the night fell, the lamps in the temple had to be lit. One young man said to the servant, "Light the lamp." The second man was surprised. He said, "We had decided not to say a word. And now you have spoken. You both are foolish. Why didn't you do?" said the third man. "I am the only one who has not spoken," said the fourth young one. And finally, all of them spoke out. So before the day ended, all the four young men had spoken. They could not keep quiet even for a single day. Who lived in the temple? Four young men. What did the young men said to the servant? Lit the lamp. Take the correct answer. They decided not to speak to each other for 7 days. They could not keep quiet even for a single day. Noisy, opposite is quiet. Wise, foolish. Meaning of foolish, silly. Speak, spoke. Surprise, surprised. The word which has two vowels is young. It has O and U in it. Find a rhyming word for the following. Sight, night, walking, talking. Give suitable title for the above passages. Four talkative friends, you can say. Talkative friends, you can say. Coming to the question answers, who was quiet in the class? Jani was quiet in the class. Who feels joyful seeing the ice cream man as children? What can you do after crying a lot? Take a shower, open the window and laugh loudly. What time of the day do you think when your shadow is tallest? Morning, evening? Give short answers. What are the things that Munna like to do? Munna like to play, fly kites, playing marbles, make drawings, sitting idle in the fields. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Robinson was afraid as he thought that the monster will come and kill him someday. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? The old bird advised because it was small and soft and having a soft stem, and next it would be difficult to destroy after growing. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? Earlier, the cook planned to throw away the scrap, but later on, he planned to make a new dish. What will happen if nobody passes the baton? If nobody passes the baton, then the relay race can't go on. Underline the describing words. Arya is a talented girl, so talented here is a describing word. Uh, Amit is wearing a blue shirt, so the describing word is blue. तो शर्ट को डिस्क्राइब ब्लू वर्ड कर रहा है, इसलिए ब्लू यहाँ पर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है. वियरिंग एक वर्ब है, यू कैन से एक्शन वर्ड. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स चूजिंग द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट. द कैट जम्प्ड ओवर द लॉग. लॉग के ऊपर से गई तो ओवर द लॉग. द मैन हैज़ एंटर्ड इनटू द रूम. Encircle the nouns. Shri Ram is my favorite character. So Shri Ram जो है वो noun है. Do you have a chocolate? So chocolate here is a noun. And coming to the next question. Write the contractions. I am, have not, and circle the action words write and wash. अंडरलाइन द मिस्टेक. यहाँ देयर और देयर की मिस्टेक है. पहला वाला देयर गलत है. THERE होना चाहिए और दूसरे वाले देयर में THEIR होना चाहिए. तो नेक्स्ट आप यू हैव टू मेक सम क्वेश्चंस. वेयर, व्हेन, व्हाट, वेयर डू यू लिव, व्हाई आर यू लाफिंग. Now fill in the blanks with the conjunctions. Conjunctions, you know, that used to join two sentences is conjunction. The teacher gave a lot of questions for practice because the exams are going to start. You must work hard or you will not succeed. Now you have to rearrange. You should always keep your school clean. Jumble sentence bolte hain हम. Then you have to fill in the blanks with a given word. It is wash or washed. Sachin washed his clothes last Monday. So it's past tense, so washed will be here. The children are participating in the competition. Fill in the blanks with the exact feeling. The light went out suddenly. I was all alone and frightened. Rewrite the sentence using the opposite: asleep, awake, kind, unkind. But you have to rewrite the sentence. Again, you have to write it. Now punctuation is there. Kapil's brother lives in America. Kapil K and America A should be capital. All the class 5 students of our school were gathering in front of the principal office. Because students ज़्यादा है तो वर आएगा. Sita is present in the class. Rearrange the jumbled words. First one is barrel. Second is investigation. The missing letters: trundling, island. Then baton. The two words are bat and not. Two words ending with ness is neatness, smoothness. Correct vowels to complete is prefer, people. Circle the silent letters. GH and H is silent. Correct word is creeper. You have to check the spelling and then circle it. Hard of hearing, it is D for जो कम सुने उसको कहते हैं. You have to make two words by removing the first letter. Stable, table, bright, right. Circle the correct meaning of the word wept is cried. Handwriting is there. You have to write in a beautiful handwriting. Then creative writing is there about good health. Health means the state of body that is totally free from any illness or injury. Being healthy should be a part of our lifestyle as a whole. Good health and a happy mind are priceless possessions that one can have. If one is healthy, he or she can always work on getting wealth and prosperity. Everyone should take care of themselves to stay fit. Now a notice is there. आपको choice है इसमें से कोई भी आप कर सकते हैं. Your school is organizing a drawing competition. Regarding that, the notices. You'll write down the name of your school, notice, then date. All the students are hereby informed that the drawing competition, which is going to be held on 24th September 2024 at 11 a.m. in the library. Thus, interested students may give their names to the undersigned. The topic will be provided on the spot. Kindly bring your materials and colors. Head boy. Thank you. Keep studying.